Hi friends, this video shows how to fix the issue. File Manager app stuck, not able to install. Downloaded app, not able to allow install apps from unknown sources. Let me go to apps tab, then open one File Manager app. Let me open this Explore app. Then let me go to downloads folder. Then let me try to install this downloaded app Total Commander. Select it, then try to install. See, it's stuck, it's not able to install. So I will show you how to fix this issue. Go to home screen, then select all settings from top right corner. Go to system, go to about, go down, select Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button or select button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back. Now under system we can find new option called developer options. That's all. We just need to enable developer options. After that, go to home screen, go to apps tab, then again open this File Manager app Explore. Then let me try to install this downloaded APK file. See, now I can install. Let me open this installed app. See, that's all. So we just need to enable developer options, so that way we can allow install apps from unknown sources. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.